When I'm working on these fire pits, a lot of times I use these cutoff wheels. This style here is the kind I've always used, that kind of fiber. It's like a thin grinding disc. What I don't like about them is they're dangerous. They can come apart. And I've known a lot of people that's gotten hurt from these coming apart. They're spinning at about 11,000 RPMs. And they can hurt you pretty bad. They're real brittle. If you drop your grinder, they break, and then if they break and that piece flies off running 11,000 RPMs, they can really hurt you. Well, I found these. They're from EZARC, and they're a metal cutting wheel, and it can't come apart. I guess if you tried, you might bend it, but these things are pretty awesome. For one, it throws less sparks, and you don't have like the other type of disc. You have the dust and the particles from the disc that are coming off as you use it, and this doesn't have that. So you have less stuff to breathe, and they work really good. Here's one of the fire pits I'm working on right now. Here on the seam, you can see where it's real tight, and I need to open this up so when I weld it, I can get a bead on the inside and make a good weld on this so I don't have to back weld it. So if you're looking for a good cutting disc, I really recommend these from EZARC. They come in several different sizes. I just got the 4.5 inch. They can use these and you don't have to worry near as much about somebody getting hurt by getting one of those discs bound up and having them come apart.